Is there something wrong with your hearing?
I can't hear so properly.
Huh?
I can't hear so properly, bro.
Which side?
It's all sides.
Both sides.
Both sides.
Stand there. But we're gonna open our ears.
Yes.
This is the shadow of the Lion of South Africa.
Oh yes.
Just the shadow. Lift up your hands. Okay. Ha, one more. There it is. Listen here. She's not noticing what is happening here. When somebody speaks from a distance like this, you can't hear noise.
No, prophet. Yes, prophet.
Prophet, my father, we have just received confirmation from her son that since he was a baby, as he grew up, for the past 30 years, his mother could not hear properly. He said he usually got so angry when he called her because she could not hear him. But right now, he is also testifying that his mother can hear. There is a change in her hearing. All glory unto God. After 30 years.